What's up, guys? Ryan Eigenman here. I just want to share something with you that me and my family have been doing this past couple of weeks. We've been taking this thing, Pro IG. Actually, this was suggested to me by a buddy also a while back. Shout out, AIDS. Given our situation now with this pandemic going on and this COVID-19 virus still circulating our areas, since wala pang medication for it, wala pang vaccines for it, the best thing we could do is prevent it from hitting our bodies. And that's where this little baby comes in. Aside from, eating healthy and sleeping right, eating your vegetables and whatever, this thing, Pro IG, it's a colostrum-based food supplement. Which means it's an immune booster, really. And since I just found out also recently that 70% of our immune system is apparently in our gut, so this one will really target it and help boost it. It's colostrum-based, meaning, colostrum is the first kind of breast milk that's produced by moms after giving birth. So, di ba, pagka panganak ng girl and then ipapalatch ka agad ng doctor yung baby to get the first drops of that colostrum. Colostrum contains a lot of macro and microvitamins, vitamin C, zinc, lactoferrins, and a whole smorgasbord of other good stuff. So basically, this kicks your immune system into high gear. And like I said kanina, given the situation now of NCOV, we should do whatever we can to help ourselves, help our bodies. Diba? So we've been taking this for the past couple of weeks, 1 to 2 sachets a day, and I think it's gonna be beneficial for us. So if you have, if you can check it out, I think you can get it in Mercury or other drugstores. It's Pro IG, and I'll be talking about this a few more in the days to come. So yeah, that's about it for now, and yeah, Pro IG, check it out. Peace.